Colby.
Happy birthday, Matthew. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Eat more chicken.
Oh, it's always so
There's
fuzzy.
the daddy, and there's the mommy. And there's the cousin.
Let's just be taking pictures. I got video.
And there's the big brother. And there's the middle brother.
Colby,
and then
get right
there's
there,
the
please.
birthday boy.
Ryan, get right there where you can the brothers. So 3 brothers. 1, 2.
Perfect.
Colby,
Come on, Colby.
come on.
Come on, Colby.
Ryan.
Ryan, come here.
1. Oh no!
Yay!
1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Good job, guys. Good job, Colby. Good job, Matthew.
There we go. 1, and with a cousin. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Matthew, cheese.
Cheese!
Oh. Should we get the cake?
Yes.
Cheese!
It's yummy.
It's yummy.
Mickey Mouse.
Should we rip the candle?
I should have turned it off. Oh, it's good. Yummy. Have another bite.
Mom, you think I think? Mom, I saw a comic movie.
Perfect.
I saw a comic movie. Mom, I saw.
Matthew, did you have a great birthday?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
They had a great
Oh,
Yeah,
doing
you
the
blew the
candles?
candles?
Yeah, you do have to practice because tomorrow